The task I'm going to do is to construct a table for the equation y equals 2x. So I'm going to draw the outline of my table. I'm just going to go maybe for x and y. Now usually my x, or my independent variable, increases at a regular pace, so I'm going to do it 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are my x values. Now the way that I use my equation to fill in y is I use this, and for x I put in each of my values. So I'm trying to figure out when x equals 0, what does y equal? Well, if the equation is y equals 2 times x, then when x is 0, I'm going to put in, instead of putting x, I'm going to put 0. So my new equation would be y equals 2 times 0. 2 times 0 is 0, so when x equals 0, y equals 0. Now I need to figure out the value for y when x equals 1. So I'm going to use my same equation, y equals 2 times x, and I'm saying x is equal to 1. So y equals 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so when x is 1, y equals, because this is 2, so y equals 2. So my 2 goes right here. Okay, let's do the next one. Y equals 2 times x, same equation, but this time x is equal to 2. So in place of the x, I'm going to put a 2. Y equals 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So when x is 2, y is 4. And then the last one is y equals 2 times x when x is 3. So in place of the x, I'm going to put a 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, so y equals 6. So when x is 3, y equals 6. Now I could have also used what I've learned about the rate of change, which is as my x is going up by 1, what is my y increasing by? My y is increasing by 2. So my increase in y when x is going up by 1 is 2. So that's my constant. So really I could have done y equals 2x, and I would have known that this is going to go up by 2 each time. 2, 4, 6, and that's correct. That's how I construct a table from an equation.